What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we're going to be continuing the Trident build series with an overview of the Evotech Performance folding brake and clutch lever. Evotech Performance is renowned for making high-quality aftermarket accessories for your motorcycle, and these levers are no different. These are the folding set, but if you prefer shorties, they come in that as well. The folding set is great though because it's a full-length lever, so you get a lot of leverage on your lever pulls. But the real kicker to these is that if you were to drop the motorcycle, hopefully you don't, they will fold upwards just like that instead of just snapping off like the OEM ones would. And the detent in the folding mechanism is really nice and solid. It takes a lot of force to get the lever to fold. So in the case of a drop, the lever would fold, but it wouldn't just fold upwards because of wind or you accidentally knock it or anything else that could possibly cause it to. It takes some real force to get this thing to fold upwards. And then they also have a 6-clicker adjustment so you can customize your lever pull the way you would like. The clicker is really, again, the detents on these are fantastic. You can probably hear me clicking through it right now. They take a significant amount of force to get it to move, so there's no slop in it, but it's still easily movable too. Hopefully that makes some bit of sense to you. But 6-clicker adjustment, so you get to really customize the way you want your lever to feel. And the fit and finish on these are absolutely fantastic. Sometimes with aftermarket levers, even though they're CNC machined out of billet aluminum like this one is, the edges come out a bit rough, but you don't have that with these. The edges on these levers are super smooth and they look absolutely stunning. With all that being said, let's head on outside and get this on the bike. all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest Moto Machines madness. And if you're interested in more content like this, click the card in the top right-hand side of the screen to be taken to our Tiger 900 build series. Right there.